Ideal location next to Ellery Town Park. Covered porch and second floor balcony overlooking the manicured yard and park. Unique home with fabulous natural woodwork. Recent updates include water heater, furnace, roof is approximately 17 years old, kitchen has been totally remodeled with wood floors and granite countertops and navy and white cupboards. Updated gas fireplace. Rear deck, bonus, 30 by 70 block building with wood stove. And is now a fun family room for all your family gatherings, including a projector and pull-down screen to watch all your football games and movies. Large newly remodeled kitchen opens to dining room and coffee bar. The living room is extra large with hardwood floors. First floor bathroom off the family room that was the attached garage. Beautiful natural woodwork. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. The laundry room is on the second floor. Large walk-up attic that could be finished if needed.